Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1970 Dodge Charger. This is a true RT, guys. Killer car. Like 70 miles on a body-up restoration. My buddy Scott out of Tennessee is the one who found me this car. He said a local paint rep is the one who actually had this car done. And it has lit paint on it. Factory Plum Crazy purple car. This is the original color combination. Again, true RT, factory U-code 440 car. And slick. Built to cruise, guys. This is a car that if you're looking for something fun to drive, it's got a healthy 440 underneath the hood. They've actually converted it to a 4-speed car. Holley Sniper EFI, 8 3/4 with a 355 sure grip, and just fun to cruise. Bumpers, touch-up mark there. But he didn't overdo this car, man. Built this car to cruise. I know a lot of times people say that these cars are overdone and they're afraid to drive them, and he really did this car. It's got slick paint on it, and it really hits the road good, but he built it to drive it. Nothing really over the top. Dual chrome mirrors. Glass is nice. New black vinyl top. Ripping cold here today, but we've got snow on the way, so we're going to do the best we can to kind of get through this and try to get a couple of these cars done today because we've got a couple days of snow. If you know anything about Chargers, you know that these things are just long, man. Look at the panels. Look how flat that thing is down the sides. Whoever laid the paint down did a killer job. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around. It's got 255 60s in the rear. It has 15-inch chrome Magnums, some dust there, all the way around it. A little wrinkle in your stripe. Look at that car, man. Look how flat it is. Again, factory 440 car. It is not a matching numbers car. Holley Sniper EFI. It's got an MSD box mounted underneath the dash. All custom wiring harness. Edelbrock Performer intake. Stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the high flow water pump on it. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. Again, it was an automatic car that has now been converted to a pistol grip 4-speed. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Fun car, man. Boys got some spray wax in that mist here. That looks new. That A-pillar chrome is really nice. Dual chrome mirrors. This is a remote mirror. Looks like new door handles. Yeah, new door rubbers on it. Door seams are nice and clean. Yes, new floor mats are on the way. New carpet, new sill plates. Dust in here. Factory bucket seats, center console. A little wrinkle in your headliner there. It's got a complete custom Autometer gauge cluster in there. 69 miles on the car. AM radio. Again, new floor mats are on the way for it. H-code, Flowmaster, or I'm sorry, H-pipe, Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. 8 3/4, 355 sure grip. Rear axle. The whole car is, it's not Dynamat, but it's something like it. You can see it, they've got the trunk floor and everything done. The whole car's done in that. Which is nice for quieting road noise. And these Chargers, man, everybody's hunting for these cars. 68 to 70, man. As long as I've been doing this, man, they have just always been gold. Everybody's always wanted these Chargers. Sorry, got dust in there. We're really trying to encourage everybody. Make sure that if you're looking at something on our website, please give us a call. A lot of scams out there. You can reach us at 248-620-3355. Again, a lot of scams. We recommend if you're looking at one of our cars, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call. Super nice. Runs out strong. All your gauges work, car holds good old pressure. The door's still open, Nathan. Great sound. AM radio works. I know the blower motor all works. Oh, it's got an FM converter underneath there too. It opens and closes nice. Wipers work. Headlights work fast. That's nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That's a pretty car right there. Have a great day, guys.